Dead on the inside. Welcome back to Sons of the Forest. We fucking got through that night. Eventually, took his fucking time. It eventually let me sleep, and I can actually fucking see again now. Let's have a look what we were dealing with, because we couldn't actually see them very well before. Can I roll you over? He looks burnt. Oh, that didn't work. Roll over, you bitch. There we go. What the fuck? That's not a cannibal. That's just a dude. Like covered in mud and shit. I'm gonna remove you from my tent, because you're probably gonna start smelling real bad soon. Oh, there you are, Colin. Let's actually prepare this time, and fuck me! Fucking spiders, man. That'd be the worst part for me about living in a forest. Fucking bugs, man. I fucking hate spiders. Okay, let's build a fucking fire. I'd love to know what that is. I'm sure it's because of this purple thing, but I don't know what the purple thing actually means. I probably should have researched that while between episodes. Until then, because that noise is pissing me off, I will check. I'll check the phone in a second, but I need to fuck that off a minute. I'm hungry apparently, so let's eat that. We'll eat that as well. That's better. Okay, 2 seconds, I'll have to find out what the fuck this is. So apparently, the purple icons mean that there's a special item that usually need a shovel to collect. So I'm guessing it's like a buried weapon or some shit around here. But I can't do anything without a shovel, and that noise is pissing me the fuck off. I don't know how to get rid of it without equipping something, but I don't even know where my lighter is. I just have to equip the lighter even though I don't need it to get rid of that fucking noise. Okay, let's build a fucking fire. Fuck off! B. Fire. Basic fire sticks and my lighter. Traps, gardening, utility, storage, furniture, tree shelter. Yeah, I'm probably gonna build a better shelter to be honest. But how do I make the fire? It doesn't let me click. Maybe you have to combine them in the inventory. Oh my god, fuck off. No, I don't want to equip it. Okay. Sticks. Where are all my sticks gone? Oh, there are. Combine with lighter. That's not working. Crafted bow, torch. Hey. Oh wow, there's actually like animations for them, that's cool as well. And then you use that to light it. I really need to get a shovel. How'd you make a shovel? Do you have to find it? That's not helping at all. This is mad complicated, man. Can I turn this off? Can you use that for when they rock up again? Didn't want to equip it, but how do I make a fire? Oh, that shows you all the things you can build right now. It's useful. I can make a bow, but I don't think I can make. I don't think I've got any arrows. So you could sharpen the sticks and make them arrows. Ah. Oh, no, I didn't want to do it. And how the fuck do you impale a fucking stick into rock? Okay, I don't want to lie to you. Oh, I can't recollect that. Okay, so we've got a nice little fire there for when it's night time again. Oh, you fucking spider fucks. Okay, so let me look at this again. So the ones on this side of the book, you have to click to build, and then on this side, it just kind of tells you. Standing. Oh, cool. I could have used that stick after all. Okay, so let's put some rocks around the fire. Oh, that's so cool. It's gonna take some time to get used to, but it's a lot more realistic than the forest. We put it down then. Hey, nice. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna use this stick as well to... Can I put it down? No, I can't apparently. Yeah, fuck it. I'll just leave it with that. That's the only fire on you, I reckon. Okay, so before I pull that GPS back out, I'm gonna fucking get a bit further away so the beeping isn't so fucking loud. Okay, let's go to that green dot. See what's going on there. I wonder how to make a shovel. I assume you have to make it, or maybe you have to find it, but I'm not sure. It's very pretty good. Oh, that's cool. When you put a tent down, it marks it as a house underneath. Oh shit, that's not Calvin. Holy shit. Do I try it? I want to see a bit closer. Oh! What the fuck? Oh shit. Did they see me? Oh, yeah, he's definitely seen me. Hi. Calvin, stay back. Are we friends? Can we be friends? I'll put the weapon away. I don't know how to unequip. Sorry. Seems friendly. Whoa, okay. Okay, I'll take the warning, Hey, you leave Calvin alone. Whoa, there's fucking 3 of them. That guy is... That's a big one. No. Why is he wearing... He's wearing a gold mask. I kind of want it. Calvin, it's fine. If I say take a break, where does he go? Yeah, you go to the shelter. Shelter. Stay safe. I kinda wanna fight him. Fuck you! Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Well, that was over awfully quick. I did also forget I had very low health. I just really wanted that mask. Holy shit, I've been kidnapped. Oh my god. What the fuck is that noise? I'm on an FUG. I'm tied up. I've escaped. Why would they keep... Why would they not take my knife off me? Hi. Okay, I'm out of here. They didn't seem to care too much that I've escaped. Must retrieve my backpack. Oh, they stole my backpack. You can't use your inventory. They can steal your backpack. That's crazy. I just want... Hey, chill, bro. I just want my backpack. And then I'm out of here. Oh my god, why is there a cutscene? Just do it quicker. Did they take anything out of it? Don't think so. I reckon I could take these ones on though. Maybe not the big one. Yeah, fuck this, I'm not gonna risk it. Where even am I? How far did they take me? Oh wow, the M button equips and unequips the GPS tracker automatically, that's sick. Didn't take me that far away. I was going to that green dot. Oh, that one's climbing a fucking tree. Hey, 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 hey! Yeah. What the fuck? One hit? Oh, fuck off, no way. I'm not gonna start again, surely. It's an interesting, cutscene thing. Oh, I'm gonna fucking kill myself. Okay, we are back. I had to do everything that I did in the episode again. But we are a bit closer to the green dot now, so that's good. That's a big fucking tree. Hello. Ooh, that was satisfying. Spooty web. Okay, we're nearly here. My GPS is flickering, which is not good. I'm guessing this is where the green dot is indicating. Oh, this would be a good place to fucking set up camp. It's got... Is that a camera? Who the fuck put these in? Can I knock them over? Oh. And I... Oop. Oh, if that was drivable, that would have been fucking sick. Just fucking mow them down. Ooh, hello. Printer resin. What the fuck could I use that for? The green dot is right here. Oh. I need a shovel again. Fucking wonderful. If only I knew how to get one. It's a very pretty island. It's just a shame about those cannibals in it. Oh, oh! They literally just sound like monkeys. Oh, there you are. They run like monkeys as well. I think there's different types, because there's like these ones that run on all fours, and then there's the ones that stand, and these ones also climb trees like a monkey. Ah, cool. What are you doing, homie? What if I just cut it down while it's on... Oh. I think he heard me. Ay, ay, ay. Calvin! I could always just set up 2 cams, right? It's going dark again, for fuck's sake. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get all the way back up there. I'm just gonna build another one here. It's probably best to have multiple camps anyway. Please, what's this? Medicine, nice. More printer resin. Yeah, that's it. Fuck off. See, I'd be like, yeah, maybe I shouldn't camp here because, you know, the fucking cannibal things. But I also got attacked at my last place as well, so I'm gonna build here. To be fair, if I'm gonna do that, I could probably. Do you want a hug? Is that what's wrong with you? Leave me alone. Yeah. Fuck off, you curious bastard. I'm gonna build a bear shelter there, not just a tent. Something like this. 75. I could build a log cabin, to be fair. Let's build this for now. I've got the sticks and rocks, I don't know why it's. Oh, let me put them down. Let's break this one down. The look of the fucking trees getting chopped looks so much more like cool. Oh, wrong way. Wrong way. Fuck. Nearly fucking clobbered you, you bastard. Shut the fuck up. Oh, there's loads of them now. I will kill you. Don't fucking try me. Calvin, why are you pointing at him? Don't piss him off. Are they marked on the map? Is that the blue dots? Need 4 more sticks.
Yeah.
Oh shit, my bad. Is that what I think it is? Surely not. But if it is, that's fucking pretty cool. Like, it's not cool, it's like realistic. Because it'll be these cannibal fucks. Hi. Oh, yeah, well, absolutely none of that. No attacking Calvin. Them's the rules. Oh, wow, okay, he just started eating his fucking friend instantly. He's like, he's fucking dead, I'm eating him. They're definitely cannibals then. Calvin, where have you gone? Oh, he's fucking legged it down there. Hey! Oh, he scared me, I'm sorry. Yeah, you eat him. You learn from this. Oh, hey! Don't Do you end up like him? Got no sticks. Sticks. I want to get sticks from these, but they're so pretty. Oh, you want to play? Do you want to end up like your friend? Is that what you want? Yeah, run off, pussy. Let's save before I fucking die again. If they weren't fucking like trying to hit me now and then, it'd be a nice little fucking bit of entertainment to keep me entertained. Just watch them. Okay, I need to build another fire. Got no sticks. Got no sticks left. I only need 2 anyway. I'll do it here. Nope, not yet. What are you pointing at, bro? Yes, kind of behind me on the tree. They're mostly friendly, just don't point at them. And they'll learn the lesson eventually to keep hitting you or me, and then I just slaughter the fuck out of them, so... It is what it is. Well, I built that fucking fire at the other base, so just never even fucking use it. I mean, I will go back there eventually anyway, because it's got the fucking item that I need a shovel for, so... let's build some storage. To be fair, before I do that, can I give Calvin a knife so he's actually armed? Apparently not. Oh well. So what was I doing? Building storage. Stick storage, rock storage. I need log storage. That's the most important at the minute. Where shall I put it though? I feel like I could just put it there, but I want to like be resourceful with my space. Put it there. Need some more sticks. I hope this shit grows back, because I feel bad taking, like, ruining the scenery basically. Whilst I'm here, I'm going to cut down another tree, so that, because I'll be able to finish that log storage as soon as I get back, so I'll have some more logs to put into it. we go. Watch me just fucking fill it straight away. Watch yourself, boys. Don't fuck around anymore. Ah, it's fucking full already. It's fine, I'll just put it there. Oh, you wanna fight? Yes, no? So I don't really, I'll be honest with you guys, I don't really want you, even if you're not fucking gonna hurt me. Okay, never mind. He's making this a lot easier for me. Shut up. Shh. Okay, I need some medicine. Yeah, I was going to say I don't really want them around anyway, because even if they don't hit me very often, it's far too close. I could just be asleep and you could just fucking kidnap me again. So, hey, you don't fucking throw rocks at me, you cheeky cunt. Yeah, die, pussy boy. Okay, I really need some medicine. I can't fight the other one without some meds, because I will fucking die. I don't have anything. I literally have nothing. Let's use this. Hopefully we don't start a forest fire. Where are you, bitch? Ay, 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 ay. Where the fuck did that go? Didn't even fucking do anything. Fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. I'm gonna have to risk it. Actually, I'll just make another one really quickly. Got so many bottles. I might just start heading to that other green dot. See what's going on over there. We've got shelter. We've got the shelter here. We've got the shelter over there as well. So, will this one come up as a? This one's not come up as a house though on the map. So what if I lose it? Hopefully I don't lose it. Yeah, I'll start making my way over to this green dot and then the next episode will begin over there. Goodbye.